Place the mosquito coil in boiling water and you'll be surprised by the results. After I learned this trick, I never had this problem in my house again. And yes, that's exactly right. All you need is a pot with hot water. Use an old pot that you don't use anymore. Into the pot, add 2 mosquito repellent coils. Yes, the same ones you've probably used before in the traditional way. Believe it or not, they are far more useful than you think. After some time in the water, they start to dissolve and release incredible properties. Now, let's add some cloves, clove of India, which you probably already have at home and which will make all the difference. Add a generous amount and let it boil in the water. The next ingredient we'll use is coarse salt, which enhances the effects of all the other ingredients. Add a generous spoonful, then mix everything very well. After some time, you will notice that the color of the water has changed. This is a sign that the process is working. Now, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down a bit. Once it's cooled, remove the mosquito coils and transfer the mixture into another suitable container. Now comes another essential ingredient, 70% alcohol. It not only preserves the mixture but also boosts its effectiveness and speeds up drying. Add 150 milliliters of alcohol. Finally, let's finish with some peppermint essence, another very important ingredient. Not only does it provide a fresh aroma, but it is also highly effective for our purpose. Add a good amount, then mix everything well. At this point, you're probably curious and wondering what this is for. Well, I'm about to tell you, and you won't regret waiting. To complete the process, pour the mixture into a spray bottle or another container that makes application easy. Before learning this trick, I tried countless expensive products that simply didn't work. Until I discovered this, and it became my ultimate solution. The secret of this amazing homemade product is that it is a powerful homemade insect repellent. It keeps all kinds of insects away, including mosquitoes, cockroaches, ants, spiders, and other unwanted pests. Simply apply it to areas where these insects usually appear, and that's it. You will have a protected environment without strong odors. And the best part? It costs almost nothing, since you probably already have all the ingredients at home. Whatever is left over, you can store and use as needed. This is, without a doubt, your ultimate solution against insects.